Alright people, welcome back in my channel. My channel is Aceh. Alright, this night I would like to promote this very totally, amazing, let's say charity, this night I want to promote also again, charity, it's very most important for all Muslim nowadays, when you got life, the most important thing, give or donate, money is very most important. This night, I myself, until now, I would like, to say again and again, every single night, every single day, can charity, this can charity. Here, got 100 days. Every single day you put only just 5,000 only. When you put 10,000, it's only, don't worry about that. It's okay. But just only every single morning, or every single day, just only put 5,000 only. This for, the free land, like donate, we call it in Arabic wakaf, after the day after, after life, the most important thing, two angels coming after you, asking what for your life. Example is your money, your time, anything about that, two angels working asking you, look at what I mean. Two angels asking you, in after you get, buried. But the point important thing nowadays, I suggest one more time, Muslim, we have to donate a lot of money. So we got 1,500 cans. It's very slowly hard way, to share every Muslim, not even that. Share, invite a lot of people, one share, a little bit your money, the most important thing nowadays, not only 10,000, but also 5,000 every single day. Now let's see how do I put my money, it's only 5,000 every single day. Okay, let me open it. Do not forget, put like this and then put your money. Every single day, there's only 5,000. When you will put 10,000, don't worry about that. 25,000, 20,000, 100,000, don't worry about that. Never get lost, you never get loose. Our Prophet Muhammad Sallallahu say, you want to be donate your money a little bit, you never get loose from this the end of the day. So let's see how I put my money 5,000 over here. Don't be a fan, just to share, tutorial, for every single Muslim banda nowadays one share only money, it's only 5,000 every single day, it's for your religion exactly, like Islamic education or some religion, boarding school, that's here my Islamic education. His name is Mr. Tunku Umar or Abi Umar. He is my Islamic education, every single night, Tuesday night and Tuesday night every single night almost teach about education. Alright, let's see how I put my money in 5,000. Whatever you want, 5,000, 10,000, whatever. But every single day you have put your money 5,000 only. Alright, don't forget, if you want to take this, this can. If you want to take this can, don't give me a call, okay? Because I will have you give you this can. The most important thing nowadays, we got 1,000 cans in Banda Aceh, 1,500 cans to have shared spirit in my city Banda Aceh. Alright, that's all for now.